Hey guys, welcome back today to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing y'all that today I went a little shopping, a little bit, but not really. And also I'm trying to get this. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about, this game that you have to oh shit, maybe I'm messing up. Almost had it. I'm still gonna get it, and when I do, I might make a video about it and do it and try to see if I can do it. I might video of it and doing it probably, but it might be part of like vlogging a little bit of that. But it's okay. But this got this. It was like $8.88 at Walmart, and I haven't did this thing in a long time. Man, here, out of there, I already opened it. Also, I got me a hat of my state because this was like $7 something, and I got some of this now. I got some of this because I need some. You probably know how I got this. It's because I got my income tax that I got from my last job that I was working at Goodwill. It's on that table. And my brother kind of got this for me because I really need some. And I got me some new shoes, and it was at Walmart. So yeah, and it was like 17, so I'm over it of it. And also I'm gonna show y'all this. Y'all gonna be surprised. It'll be an open box too. I already opened it kinda, but this is the iPhone 6s on Straight Talk. And they kind of came with this too with it. I think it's like a mirror. It's on Straight because that's what I use. I use Straight Talk service. Just a signal over here. It's not that good. That's probably. I think it goes slow. My old phone kind of acting up. Oh shoot, I can't open this thing.
2 hours later.
It's like it don't want to let me open it. Yes, this. Then we have to put this in the phone. You check the mailbox. Of that. This is how it looks when I open it. I already did it. I never had an iPhone 6. I had an iPhone 4 before, and that was like in 2013. And that's probably why I have an Android phone right now. And you probably already know how it looks and stuff. So, yeah. But I have to charge it up before I set it up because I know my phone ends tomorrow. So I have to charge this up of that to use it, because I thought it would be bigger, but it's not that big. I wish I had the iPhone 6 iPhone 6. I wish I had the new one. And y'all already know. Some of y'all already know that has all of these, and has this, the charger. Oh shit. And here another earpiece too. I'm just gonna drop that. So I want to let you know I had an iPhone before. I never had the iPhone 6. I never did. So I'm gonna charge this up. So if y'all want me to do when I do this, when they do want me to do what's on my iPhone, I will do it. Just put in the comments if y'all want me to do it. I just have to set this up, and so I already know how to do it. But if y'all do, just put in the comments and let me know what y'all want me to see, what apps I have on this phone. It's gonna be like the same apps that I have on my Android phone. So y'all already. That's why I was just trying to show y'all a little bit of this on this video. That's why it's not a long video. It's just going to be a short video, a little bit short. But this, I never did have this one, but I had like the other bottle, the one you. It's like using soap when you wash your hands. The other thing at the top, yeah, probably know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna get to this and get finished to try this. I'm not gonna be up all night trying to do this, but I'm gonna try to see if I could cause I almost had it. I'm not trying to stress myself out trying to do this thing. And I'm almost getting it, cause this is like green right here. I'm trying to get this. I think people get stressed out about trying to who could do it. If you're really smart, you know how to do this, that's good for you. But I'm not that really smart trying to do it. I'm just trying to do it to learn so I know how to do it. But I gotta go. And I know this video is not long. Just like and comment. And like I said, just let me know in the comments y'all want me to do what's on my iPhone 6, and I will do that. And after I get, you know, everything and stuff, and I will probably like order me a phone case for this phone. It might be probably like next month. I might not get able to do it this month because we're gonna still be moving, so I probably should not order nothing yet until next month. But I'm not spending all my stuff when it comes saving. I kind of get some of the money, part of my money, into my mom to kind of, you know, you have to do that to thank your parents for everything, so you have to give them something too. But I gotta go and subscribe and click the bell notification, and I'll see y'all to me in my next video. Whenever I do, I will do that. So I got to go, and I will put this video up, and peace out.